Did you write the note of entertainment allowances in the bracket? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
See, if you want, I can repeat it once again. Um, the deduction of entertainment allowances will not be available because he is not a government employee. Next, 16 subsection 3 professional tax. 16 subsection 3 professional tax. It is there in the question. See, professional tax 100
Yes,
per
ma'am.
month. So make a bracket 100 into 12. How much it would be? 1200 in the inner column. It would be 1200 in the inner column. Now add all the deductions, all three deductions. Tell me the total of all three deductions.
Ma'am,
Come on.
5,12,000.
शुभम तू कुछ भी बोलता है, थोड़ा सोच समझ के
Ma'am,
बोलो.
sorry,
50,000 और 1200 5 लाख कैसे होता है?
51,200. Sorry. मैम वो
ठीक से
थोड़ा तंग
बोलेगा
है नहीं
नहीं तो
तो.
कमाएगा कैसे?
सॉरी मैम.
कोई बात नहीं. 51,200 आउटर कॉलम में लेके आइए. Put it in the bracket. Now deduct that amount from your gross salary and tell me the net taxable income from salary.
Ma'am, 1,17,300.
Very good. Good job. 1,17,300. That is your net taxable income from salary. It will not be reflected here because 50,000 is not deducted. It is old amount. Old, as per the old rules, the amount has been calculated here. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, note.
Yes. Write down the notes. Write down the notes. How many notes are there? Look at the points. Okay. We will start with this point. No? Loan. Write down. Loan from the employer of rupees 6,000. Note number 1. Loan from the employer. Loan from the employer of rupees 6,000. Of rupees 6,000 is not an income. Is not an income. Full stop देकर. It is the liability that has to be repaid on the maturity date. It is the liability that has to be repaid on the maturity date. Therefore, not disclosed. Therefore, not disclosed in the income from salary. In the income from salary. Next, director sitting fees. Director sitting fees received rupees 2,000. Received rupees 2,000 is income from other sources, not income from salary. Director sitting fees is not income from other sources, comma, it is income from, sorry, director sitting fees received rupees 2,000 is income from other sources, comma, it is not income from salary. Next, expenses incidental to employment. Expenses incidental to employment will not be deducted. Expenses are always deducted, but here I will not give deduction separately because standard deduction is already available. This is the reason. Write down. expenses incidental to employment will not be deducted separately, will not be deducted separately, comma, will not be deducted separately because standard deduction is already available. Standard deduction is already available. Irrespective of the amount of such expenses. Irrespective of the amount of such expenses. That means how much you spend is not my concern. Irrespective. Irrespective means आप कितना भी उसमें खर्चा कर रहे हैं वो मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. That is not important for me. How much you are spending, how much is your actual expense is not my concern. It is not important for me. What is important for me is standard deduction is already available, and that is maximum 50,000 actual salary or maximum rupees 50,000. How much did you spend is not my concern. Therefore, it is irrespective to what you spend. Okay. Did you understand? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, income from salary from partnership firm. Income, sorry, don't write it this way. Salary from partnership firm, write this way. Salary from partnership firm, being a partner, for being a partner, salary from partnership firm for being a partner is income from others, is income from business or profession. Is income from business or profession, comma, it is not income from salary. It is not an income from salary. Next, he received amount of rupees 8,000 as okay. Write down. Last note. Amount of rupees 8,000 received. Amount of rupees 8,000 received for being agent in LIC. For being agent in LIC. LIC is Life Insurance Corporation of India. LIC is income from other sources. Is income from other sources. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Is income from other sources and not income from salary. And not the income from salary. Full stop. That's it. आप मतलब सिंपली उसको लिख सकते हैं, इट इज नॉट एन इनकम फ्रॉम सैलरी बिकॉज इट इज इनकम फ्रॉम, बिकॉज इट बिलोंग्स टू द इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्सेस. मतलब अपने वर्ड्स में उसको सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, बट द मीनिंग, आई मीन यू शुड रिटेन द मीनिंग, दैट शुड नॉट बी लॉस्ट. दिस इज व्हाट आई एक्सपेक्ट. ओके,
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us do this sum. See the last one, and then we are done with the chapter. Mr. Praveen Kothari is working in Cots Food Private Limited. Private, okay, he's a private employee. Drawing basic salary of 9,000 per month. He gets the following further benefits. Okay, so one by one we will be reading, and simultaneously we will be writing also. Come on, start. Write down SSC Mr. Praveen Kothari. Legal status, individual, previous year 1920, assessment year 2021. And the next one was PAN card number, leave it with small hyphen. Come to the next line, write heading, computation of income from salary, and start with the sum. Write down basic salary. He is working in Cots Foods Private Limited. Okay. Write down basic salary 9,000 per month. So in the bracket 9,000 into 12. Tell me how much it would be? 8,000.
1,08,000.
Very good. Outer column. Outer column. Next, motor car is provided for both office and personal purpose with driver. The perquisite value of the car for personal purpose is 12,000. Means 12,000 is taxable. Write down the perquisite value of the car. Next, add. One time only. You have to write one time. Add perquisite value of the car. Outer column 12,000. Outer column 12,000. Okay, the next point is medical facility provided in the hospital belonging to the employer, value of facility availed is 19,000 rupees. Now, employee Mr. Praveen Kothari, suppose take it as an example, he was not well. Therefore, his employer gave him the medical facility in his hospital only. Now, take an example of Tata company. टाटा कंपनी के जो एम्प्लॉयज हैं तो टाटा के पास अपना हॉस्पिटल भी है, राइट? आप सुन रहे हैं सारे? एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो जैसे टाटा सेम कंपनी के पास है ना अपना हॉस्पिटल भी हो सकता है. जैसे टाटा कंपनी के जो एम्प्लॉयज हैं वो टाटा कंपनी के हॉस्पिटल में, टाटा हॉस्पिटल में ही अगर इलाज करवा रहे हैं, ओके, अपना ट्रीटमेंट करवा रहे हैं, तो पहले क्या होता था? पहले फुली एग्जम्प्टेड होता था. अगर सेम हॉस्पिटल, सेम कंपनी के हॉस्पिटल से आपने कोई मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट करवाया तो, और अगर रीइंबर्समेंट हुआ तो, मतलब सारा खर्चा किसने आपको भर के दिया? एम्प्लॉयर ने. इफ इट वाज द केस, इफ दिस वाज द केस, then the amount was fully exempted, but now this amount is fully taxable. Why? Because it has been replaced with standard deduction. Therefore, now this amount is fully taxable. Write down medical facility provided by the employer. Medical facility provided by the employer. You can write it in the bracket fully taxable. Now, outer column 19,000 fully taxable. Earlier it was exempted. I mean exempted up to 15,000. But now no deductions will be available. No exemptions are available because standard deduction have been newly invented. No, I mean newly introduced. Therefore, 19,000 ka medical facility is not available. Medical facility and traveling allowances. These two things have been replaced with standard deduction. Therefore, this 19,000 now will be fully taxable. Okay. Next, rent-free accommodation at Malegaon. The perquisite value is 21,000. If he says perquisite value, that means it is taxable. Write down the perquisite value. Next point, you need to add all these points. Perquisite value of rent-free accommodation. And the amount is 21,000 outer column. 21,000 outer column. Are you writing? Are you following me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next, gas, water, electricity bills paid by employer. These are my expenses. If it is paid by employer, it becomes my benefit, perquisite, and it is fully taxable. Right. gas, water, electricity bills paid by employer, 15,000 fully taxable outer column. Next, sweeper, cook, watchman provided at the salary of 600 per month each. That means you are employee, Mr. Praveen Kothari. Take it as an example that you are Mr. Praveen and I am your employer. You are living in rent-free accommodation. No, I've given you a free house to live in. Free house. Now with that free house, I have given you a sweeper who will clean the house, a cook who will cook the food for you, and the watchman who will be a guard. I mean, who will be a watchkeeper. Okay, to keep everything safe. Okay, so three persons I am giving you to provide as services to you: sweeper, cook, and watchman. Three persons I'm providing you. Okay, you are an employee, I am an employer. So I am paying them salary of rupees 600 per month each means to sweeper also 600 per month, to cook also 600 per month, and to watchman also 600 per month. Means 600 into 12 into 3, because each one of them is getting 600 per month. Each one of them is getting 600 per month. Okay, and that is your benefit. I am paying the salary of sweeper, cook, and watchman, but the services are availed to you, but the services are enjoyed by you. So it is your benefit, no? You don't have to pay 600 per month to all of them, to each one of them. I will pay it for you. So it is a perquisite value of specified employees. It is a perquisite value. It is taxable to specified employees. ओके टू सो मिस्टर प्रवीण कोठारी के लिए ये टैक्सेबल हो जाएगा. ओके, बिकॉज आई विल टेल यू how he is a specified employee. How will I be able to know he is a specified employee? If the salary of a person is more than 50,000, he becomes specified employee. Or suppose if his salary is not more than 50,000, suppose. So second, look at the second point. It is if he's a director or an employee of same company. He's employee, he's a director also. Okay, but in this question it is not given as such. Okay, अभी तक तो नहीं दिया है. Next, third point होती है, अगर चलो दो points नहीं भी follow होती है. Look at the third point. If he holds more than 20% of the voting rights in the company, if he holds more than 20% of the voting rights in the company, he becomes specified employee. So just now I said first point was if his salary is more than 50,000. How much his salary was? How much his basic salary was?
1,08,000.
Is it more than 50,000?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So he is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
specified employee. And because he is a specified employee, the services that he is receiving from employer in the name of sweeper, cook, watchman, and the above point also, gas, water, and electricity bills are also taxable only and only in the case of specified employees. So yes, Mr. Praveen Kothari is a specified employee, and gas, water, electricity bill, which is paid by employer, is taxable to specified employees. And yes, Mr. Praveen Kothari is a taxable, is a specified employee. Therefore, gas, water, electricity bill is also taxable. Same way, similarly, sweeper, watchman, cook, the salary to all of them is paid by employer, and the services are taken by Mr. Praveen Kothari, who is a specified employee, and therefore the services which he is receiving free of cost is a perquisite to him, is a type of perquisite to him. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear to you all? Yes. So because he is taking free services, those services are known as perquisites, and it is fully taxable to specified employees. Write down. Write down. The salary of sweeper, cook, watchman paid by employer. Write down. You have to add. No, it is fully taxable, so you need to add. Write down the salary of sweeper, cook and watchman paid by employer. Now in the bracket, make a bracket, 600 per month each, means 600 into 12 into 3, because 3 persons are there na, sweeper, cook and watchman. So each one of them is getting 600. 600, 600, 600 means into 3. So 600 into 12 into 3, how much is it?
21,600.
21,600.
Outer column, fully taxable. Repeat again, what was the amount?
21,600, ma'am.
Okay, very good. 21,600. And if at all you want, why it is fully taxable, you can write in the other bracket, make another bracket. Or you remind me, I will tell you the note to be written. Gas, water and electricity, sweeper, cook and watchman. For these 2 points, I will give you a note. Why it is fully taxable? Because he is a specified employee. Okay, I will give you the note. Next, education for children provided in school run by employer. Okay, there is a school also belonging to an employer, and educate children. Your children are admitted there for getting the education. The cost of such education similar institution is rupees 23,000, which is treated as taxable perquisite value, fully taxable. Write down. It is already written taxable. Why do I need to think how much it is exempted? Write down. The taxable perquisite value of education services. The taxable perquisite value of educational services received by employer. Received by employer, outer column, 23,000, fully taxable, because already 23,000 is written there, treated as taxable purposes. Okay, next, 23,000 fully taxable. Next, holiday trip for self and family provided. Cost of such stay is cost of such stay and travel is 21,400, and the entire cost was borne by employer. So your expenses were there, 21,400, it was your expense, but employer is paying for you. Now it is, I hope you remember, it is exempted up to the point of spent. The amount you spent is exempted. Write down, I will tell you. Write down. Employer, sorry, holiday trip expenses received from employer, inner column 21,400, inner column 21,400, less cost of stay and travel. मतलब मेरा खर्चा कितना था? Cost means expense of staying there and traveling there outside was rupees 21,400. Same. Write down in the inner column 21,400 in the bracket. So 21,400 minus 21,400. How much should be in the outer column?
Nil.
Nil. Yes. So employer is giving you the entire cost. How much was the entire cost? 21,400. If employer is giving you 21,400 and that was your similar cost, then it is fully exempted. Suppose your cost was only 20,000, then the rest of the amount would be completely taxable. Rest of the amount means minus करके बाकी का जो बचेगा वो taxable होगा. यहाँ पे जितना मेरा expense हुआ उतना ही मुझे मेरे employer ने भर के दिया. Therefore fully exempted, because outer column में कुछ नहीं आएगा, nil. Okay, now tell me the gross salary. What is the gross salary?
19,600.
Very good. 2,19,600 rupees. 2,19,600 rupees. 219,600. That is my gross salary. Now write down less deductions under section 16. Less deductions under section 16. Come on, be quick. Standard deduction 16 subsection 1A standard deduction. Write down actual salary. Tell me what was your actual salary?
1,08,000.
Particulars column. Actual salary 1,08,000 particulars column, or next line maximum 50,000 particulars column. Always remember same way you have to write. The pattern has to be followed same way. So maximum 50,000, next line whichever is less. So which amount is the lower one?
50,000.
So select 50,000 in the inner column. In the inner column. Okay. Next, entertainment allowances. Was entertainment allowances given in the question?
No.
No. Leave it. Nil. Nil. Write down nil. 16 subsection 2 nil. Anyways, if it is even though if it was given in the question, we would not have been allowed him to take the deductions. Why? Because he is not a government employee. Okay. Anyways, तभी भी हम नहीं देते थे. ठीक है. चलो. 16 subsection 3 professional tax. 16 subsection 3 professional tax. Is it given in the question? Is it given in the question?
No, ma'am.
No, nil. So write down nil. So how much is in the outer column? All the deductions. Take all the deductions into the outer
50,000.
column.
50,000, ma'am.
Yes. So deduct it, put it in the bracket and deduct it from 2,19,600. So what
Ma'am,
is my final amount?
1,69,600.
Very good. 1,69,600 is your final amount. Net taxable income from salary. Now quickly write down the note. Notes. See, these 2 points, D and E, these 2 points belongs to person who is specified employee. Okay, write down, I'll tell you. Gas, water, and electricity bill. Gas, water, and electricity bill paid by employer and salary to sweeper, cook and watchman. Sweeper, cook and watchman paid by employer are the perquisites. ये दोनों हमारे लिए क्या है? Perquisites हैं. Because it is paid by employer and services मैं enjoy कर रही हूँ. I am enjoying the services. Okay, right on. Are the perquisites taxable in case of specified employees? Taxable in case of specified employees. Full stop. And Mr. Praveen Kothari is a specified employee. And Mr. Praveen Kothari is specified employee. Therefore, it is fully taxable. नहीं, आपने क्या लिखा? Mr. Praveen Kothari is a specified employee because his salary is more than 50,000 rupees. Because his salary is more than 50,000 rupees. Did you understand? Therefore, it is fully taxable. The last line is therefore it is fully taxable. देखो जो स्पेसिफाइड एम्प्लॉय होता है ना उसके लिए हॉलीडे ट्रिप भी फुली टैक्सेबल होती है. हॉलीडे ट्रिप अगर आपको एम्प्लॉयर भर के देता है ना तो वो फुली टैक्सेबल होती है 21,400. एक्चुअली इट इज फुली टैक्सेबल. उसमें हम लोग है ना माइनस नहीं करेंगे. वी विल नॉट डिडक्ट एनीथिंग. 21,400 he spent and it was reimbursed by the employer. No, it is paid by the employer. Therefore, if he is a specified employee, then this 21,400 will also be taxable. Sorry for the mistake. Please correct कीजिए. You have written no holiday trip. expenses paid by employer. So cut down the deduction and write it as 21,400 in the outer column. Cut down the deduction. Why? Because he is a specified employee. And to specified employees, three things are always taxable, fully taxable. Gas, water, electricity bill, sweeper, cook, watchman की आपको free facility मिल रही है, and holiday trip if it is paid by employer. And yes, in this case, it is paid by employer. So if he is a specified employer, it will be fully taxable. So 21,400 here will be taxable. Sorry for the mistake. Please cut down the deduction from holiday trip, which is paid by employer. Simply write down holiday trip expenses paid by employer. 21,400 outer column. So now your gross salary will be
2,41,000.
Yes, sorry for the mistake once again. It would be 2,41,000 gross salary. Gross salary. So if you deduct all your deductions were 50,000, no? So if you deduct
Yes,
your deductions from 2,41,000, your answer will be
1,91,000.
very good. 1,91,000 is your final answer. 1,91,000 is your final answer. Okay, so gross salary will be 2,41,000 minus 50,000 deductions, and net taxable income from salary is 1,91,000. Okay, is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
So you all have to join the meeting for 5 minutes again. We will meet in the new meeting.